Hey friends, if you wish to create themes in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, there's nothing specific about creating themes, but what you can do in this case is that you can customize the existing Windows themes according to your requirements, like changing the wallpapers and all. I'll show you how. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane select themes. So we have a lot of pre-existing themes, like one is the theme that has been given by your brand. One and a few of these are the general themes for Windows. Okay, like this one. Okay, so here's what you can do about these themes. You can first of all browse more themes from the Microsoft Store if you just want to add some more themes like the Beach Glow one or any other one. All you need to do is select any free theme and install it, or you can also select the paid themes. And other than this, for the existing theme, you can click on use custom theme. Okay, and when you use a custom theme, you can make changes to these themes. Okay, like the background. Okay, you can change the background specifically, and you can make it a slideshow background, or you can select a specific picture for it. Okay, let's say that you want this picture instead of the existing one, and then you can choose whether you want it as fill or fit. So this is what you can do. Wait, I'll show you more. So I'll have to click on save once I have made the changes, and then to save this theme, I will just give it a name. Okay, I'll click on this, and again, if I wish to make changes to this theme that I have just saved, for example, if I want to change the color from blue to something else, I can simply click on it, and then I can change the colors and everything. I can also change the custom colors and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.